Hi, I'm Rick Serrao from Rain and Horn, and welcome to 12 Flood Street, Bondi, an oversized family home on 3 levels with accommodation that will surprise you. We have a self-contained studio downstairs, perfect for the teenagers and the growing family, gourmet kitchen, a pool, and a lifestyle that's second to none in terms of convenience. The floor plan is very versatile. We've got a very large gourmet kitchen with Caesar stone benchtops, gas appliances, very much open plan, which suits the style of today's living in Bondi. We've got very large bedrooms with built-in wardrobes. And there's a self-contained studio downstairs, ideal as a home office or for a teenager or even in an au pair. The garden opens up to a landscape garden with a pool. Very, very private throughout. It's a home that's going to impress. Wow, how amazing. So much space, privacy, an oasis in the middle of Bondi. I look forward to seeing you at one of the open homes very, very shortly.